These drones are really important for Mountain Rescue because they have infrared for locating casualties, either during the day when the infrared can pick them up, or at night. But the drones are really good because we can demonstrate the ability for them to actually locate the casualties, especially in difficult conditions, difficult terrain, which can sometimes be extremely treacherous for the mountain rescue teams themselves. So we can get the drones in there, which, like today, it's a really difficult, awkward place at Hodgshoats Quarry to do a rescue. So to get the drone in there to find the casualty without having to put mountain rescuers on the ground in the quarry, a real benefit. And I suppose that's what the demonstration's about. The Cumbria Police have kindly come with 2 of their officers, brought their drones. They were interested in what we're doing. We're obviously interested in the drones that they have. And we're also interested in the future of drones, because drone technology and functionality is improving year on year. And I can imagine that within the next 5 to 10 years we'll have fully autonomous drones carrying mountain rescuers with, life-saving defibrillators up the mountain. The civil aviation rules and regulations for flying drones are extremely tight. We've had to actually produce a Lake District operational safety case, an operations manual, and then each of the pilots have to be trained. It's quite an intensive training course, both classroom sessions and practical demonstration of skills. And they have to demonstrate that they understand the procedures within the manual, what's required. And there's many requirements, particularly pre-planning. So before today, the Kirby Stephen who've been undertaking the demonstration will have had to do all the pre-planning work, weather forecasts, looking at all the air maps for the area, what's going on in the area, getting permission from landowners. And then you come here and you've got to check weather conditions on the day itself. These drones, although very expensive, £5,000 for a drone, it can't fly in the rain, which might seem a bit strange for, mountain rescue teams in the Lake District. But to get a drone like what the police have brought today, that's got an IP category for weather resistance, their drones are £30,000 compared to our £5,000 drone. I've been flying a drone now for over 3 years, and I've never had a malfunction. And what seems to have happened is a complete malfunction, loss of signal between the unit and the drone, and it's gone into a drift. It looks as though it's lost its GPS tracking. The pilot was desperately trying to recover the signal, and then had to watch in horror as it slowly drifted to the side of the quarry, and is irrecoverable. And I think it just reminds us all as pilots that we do need to recognise that things can go wrong.